Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan Outrig coming to you from Health Out Fitness in Vancouver, BC. We're bringing health back to fitness. So this month's theme is rotation, and today's the second in our series, so we're going to mobilize your rotation. So we're going to make you more flexible this way and that way. So how do you tell if you need this? You could use a stick across your chest. If you're sitting on a chair, it's better because your hips are still, or you could even kind of sit with your heels back like this, and then I'm going to turn as far as I can one way and turn as far as I can the other way. And if you notice you have trouble going in either direction, and that trouble isn't because of pain, so and it should be 45 degrees or more as a pass, and if you can't do that, then this is a great stretch for you. So I like to put something in between the knees when I do it. And I'll gently squeeze whatever it is I have between my knees. I'm supporting the neck with my hand up here, and I'm thinking about having a nice neutral back. So the head is back in line with my body. My spine, my lower back has just a little lordotic curve bent backwards. And my knees are at 90, my heels are underneath my butt. I'm going to put this hand here behind my head. Now if this is difficult for you because you might have shoulder pain, you could always go here with your hand. And I'm going to think about leading with my ribs. This is a thoracic mobility exercise. You're trying to twist through the area where there's ribs, not in my lower back and not in my neck. And the hips are going to want to twist. They're going to want to do this and turn up towards the ceiling. So I'm actively using my tummy the whole time during this stretch, almost like you're wringing water from a wet towel like this. I'm thinking about using the ab muscles to turn my hips in the opposite direction that the upper body is going. And so if this is at the start of a workout, I'll do it more actively like this. And if it's at the end of the workout, I might just do a static hold like this. And again, the key points are that the twisting's happening from your ribs through here. My lower back isn't moving too much. My knees are staying nice and even. And I'm not trying to turn my head either. My chin's staying tucked in, really focusing on getting this rotation in your thoracic spine, not in your cervical spine or in your lumbar spine. Then the last touch is some people like to do this, integrate the arm into this activity. If you do this, please avoid doing this. So you're having your elbow out into shoulder abduction. I like to see people bring the elbow in between every movement and get out of that impingement zone where you can kind of irritate the shoulder slowly if you do this exercise over and over again a lot of times. And it just teaches good shoulder mechanics because you're bringing that elbow back, bringing the shoulder into more of a neutral position, and then going up and out of that neutral position on a 45-degree angle here, not down here with the hand, where you can end up like this in the shoulder, but bringing the hand high enough that you can't cheat. You can't put that hand below the shoulder. I should feel a little stretch through the chest as I do this stretch as well. Now, again, this is a great stretch for everybody. This is a great stretch for everybody. When the thoracic spine gets tight, it puts more stress here. It puts more stress so in the neck, in the lower back, in the shoulder. So if it's tight through here and every time you're doing movements like this, what happens is the neighboring joints just have to do those movements more. My neck will have to twist more. My shoulder joint will kind of just have to hinge more over this spot rather than having the whole kind of thoracic spine help it get into positions. And same thing in the lower body. If I have to get my leg back or out and there's not as much rotation through here, it's going to put more stress in my lower back. So it's a really great stretch for everybody. It's a good preventive, proactive activity that you can do to take care of yourself and respect your body. So thanks for tuning in. Once again, remember, don't just work out, health out.